yeah, we made a lot of money. We made a lot of damage this year. I'm telling you, we squeezed the markets pretty hard. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. We were able to bank another beautiful trade. Was not that satisfying, but at least we made some money, and I ended up the week with a really amazing profit. Overall this year, man, I was able to make already more than 171%, which is ridiculously good. I'm super happy, and yeah, we made a lot of money. We made a lot of damage this year. I'm telling you, we squeezed the markets pretty hard, and I love that. Just so you know, guys, in this video I'm going to pick one winner from the comment section. So if you drop a comment, you have the chance to win the Genius Trading Masterclass course, where I have put all my trading strategies inside, all my risk management systems, all my trade management systems. Everything is inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course. And on top of that, you get the access to our Discord group chat with all Masterclass students. Our inner circle group chat will be included. So yeah, one of you can be the lucky guy on this video. And if you are quick enough, until Sunday, you have the chance to drop a comment under my last video. I'm going to pick two winners from my last video, one winner from this video. On Sunday, I'm going to make a giveaway, and I'm going to pick 3 winners, okay? That going to get free access to the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our group chats, man. Yeah. So I hope you guys are ready for it. Man, we're going to print a lot of money, I'm telling you. So let's get into the results real quick. I started this account in January this year. So I took my first trades. Somewhere around the 1st January, yeah. And so far we made 171% profit, guys. It's crazy. And yeah, yesterday I was able to bank around 3%. Yeah, 30 grand. Started this account with $1 million. And overall for this week, we made 12.8% in 1 week. On Tuesday, man, I was loading it up heavy. We made good money this week. I'm happy with it. Okay, so now let's get into the charts, guys. Let me show you what was happening. This video is sponsored by AAAFX, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. AAAFX is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. All right, fellas, so let's start on the 5-minute time frame. So what was happening on Tuesday? We had this beautiful drop in here where we participated in. Then market snapped back, but Wednesday market was just going down. Then we created this significant high over here, and as I was missing out on that beautiful bullish move in here, I mean, this would have been the perfect trade yesterday, but I missed out on that one. As you can see, when the New York Stock Exchange opened, we slashed below the double bottom, grabbed some liquidity, tricked some sellers into the market, then the market pushed really aggressive. This would have been like a beautiful entry because we broke structure in here. This could have been like a really good buying opportunity, like something like that. And then try to ride it out until here with a 2.5% risk reward ratio, or try to let it run until 15,000, something like that, to get like a 2.8 to 1 risk reward ratio. Man, this would have been a beautiful trade, but I missed out on that one. I was a little bit too late because I gave my niece a little motorbike lesson. She's 15 years old, so I sit her on my bike, and then showed her how to write it, and I was a little bit too late around the chart, so I waited, and I saw that we had like this significant high over here from Wednesday, and I expected some kind of profit taken from that move in here, so I expected some downward pressure, maybe. Like I really wanted to see the thing go a little bit above and then rejected it and then get down to what I was looking at. I was looking at, let's go to the 1 hour time frame real quick. Yeah, I was looking at these lows in here, this one over here, and this one over here. I thought we're gonna see a push below, guys. This was really my main target, but the movement of the market showed me that it didn't want to do that. So yeah, we had to take what the market was willing to give. So I was getting in somewhere in here after we broke structure in here on the 1 minute time frame. This is when I got in. I had my stop above at around 15,025 because I was thinking like, okay, maybe the market will bounce back again and get above this high because we didn't broke it yet, and we still had this big figure number 15,000 in here, but I didn't know for sure. So I took my shot, gave it a little bit wiggle room, and then when it came all the way back above 15,000, I loaded it up. As I told you guys, I'm going to get it in with another position. So I had my stop sitting in here, and then yeah, this one, I think I took one position in here with 50 lot, and I had like 250 lot positions somewhere in here. And then when the market came down, I decided to get out and close it for the day, because it didn't look like it wants to go down that day. It was not worth the risk. So I decided to get out in here with like 3% profit. And as you can see, it was the right decision. I mean, I could have waited for this low in here. I could have made money, some more money in here, get out at break even from my first position, plus make a good amount of money with my two positions that I had in here. But I didn't want to watch the charts anymore. It was already late session. It was already 12 o'clock New York. And it was not worth it. You know, I already made a lot of money this week, and I was like, man, this thing is not looking like it wants to go down, because it was slowing down in here again. As you can see, was coming up, come down again, and it was slowly pushing up. There was no real, there was not really aggression to the downside, so that's why I decided to get out early and yeah, take a little profit. But yeah, better than no profit, guys. Better than taking a loss, because this one would have stepped me out if I would have waited for my initial target. Was not ready yet. Maybe we're gonna see the market coming down today on Friday, but not sure, because we already had a lot of downward movement this week. Maybe Friday is going to get to higher highs and try to push above, yeah, maybe to get above 15,300, man. We don't know, but it has potential to keep pushing up now. Let's see. I'm not gonna trade today. I'm going to ride with my sister, my niece, and my nephew. We're gonna fly back to Cyprus tomorrow. They're gonna have a little bit of holiday, and yeah, I'm probably going to be off for 1 week at least, so you're not gonna see me. I'm just gonna make the giveaway for you guys on Sunday, and yeah, pick the winners, and yeah, give 3 guys the opportunity to change their lives with my trading strategies. Yeah, that's what we do on Sunday, guys. I'm looking forward to it. I wish you a lovely weekend. I hope you all had a profitable trading week as well, and I hope you're all healthy, wealthy. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace!
Fly me to the moon, forget what you know. Everybody in the room.